Wait, what?
Here we go. It might jump a little bit when we start.
If you look on your left now, you'll see a pair of trumpeter swans. The trumpeter swan is the largest waterfowl in North America. The Blank Park Zoo works in cooperation with the Iowa Department of Natural Resources to reintroduce the trumpeter swan back into the wild. In the past several years, the Blank Park Zoo has raised many trumpeter swans that were released in wetlands around Iowa. Looking for a bite to eat? Well, the Safari Grill is located on your left. It's a great place to take a break and enjoy an ice cold Coca-Cola. Restrooms are also located in this area. And now we enter entry. Look closely and you may see a small spotted cat called a serval. The serval's body is very compact, enabling it to run very fast and leap into the air. Now look for the ostrich. Did you know that ostriches do not hide their heads in the sand when scared? After the train ride, make sure you return to Africa to visit the giraffe.
Going in the tunnel.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we enter the magical tunnel. This is where we want everyone to shout out what your favorite animal is at the zoo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Enjoy the rest of your day at Iowa's Wildest Adventure, the Blank Park Zoo.
We did it!
On the right, check out the white-handed gibbons. They are native to the rainforests of Asia. They are very agile and spend most of their life in the canopy of the rainforest. They use their
Did you like the
hands
tunnel?
hooks, grasping tree branches as they swing.
What did you think of the train ride? You liked it? What was the most fun part of it?
Camus.
The caboose? Are we going to watch the train go again? Yeah, okay.
Was there a time tunnel?
No?
There's a tunnel?
Is there a regular tunnel we went in?
No.
Okay.